What's up, everybody? I'm back with another quick stock tip, and tonight I'd like to help you figure out, do you want to be a long-term investor or do you want to be a short-term investor? Me, primarily, I'm a long-term investor, meaning my whole goal right now is to retire early with as much money as humanly possible so me and my wife can do whatever the hell we want, whenever we want. And in order to do that, I know I need to invest in the companies with the most consistent dividends and the most growth year over year. That means I want McDonald's and Walmart, as well as Amazon and Apple, with a little bit of Tesla sprinkled in. And I also realize that $100 won't do it. It's going to take tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars for everyone to reach their long-term investment goals, and that's okay. You also need to focus on one strategy, which is to buy, and buy some more. You don't need to worry about timing the market. You don't need to worry about if stock is up or down, if it's left or right, if you've got a Democrat or a Republican president, if aliens are taking over, if the Browns win the Super Bowl. Doesn't matter. It's all the same. Buy. Okay? Now, on the other hand, you have the short-term investors. Now, a short-term investor is literally looking to make a quick buck. Now, it might be 3 months from now, it might be tomorrow, it might be next week. It depends on the deal you're trying to do. Now, you need to figure out what your variables are, what your timing is, what your triggers are, what your rules are, and what your entry point and your exit point. If you don't know the answers to basic questions going into a deal, you can't be a short-term investor because you're just going to lose money. And it might be that you need to lose money a couple of times to start to figure out how to time a certain deal. You might be looking for a stock to go up or down. You might be looking for something in the earnings reports. You might be looking for a CEO departure. You might be looking for Bitcoin to hit 100,000. I don't know. It depends on your deal. So with that said, figure out if you want to be a long-term or short-term investor, depending on how much risk you're willing to take, okay? And what your goal is. So good luck. Go buy some stock.